Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Nasirullah, postgraduate trainee in community medicine department at Khyber Medical College. The idea of this session is made by Dr. Hassan Nawaz Tahir, who is assistant professor of community medicine at College of Medicine, Dawami. In this session, we will focus on secondary data analysis using R. Our main objective will be how to retract data from GBD, how to plan analysis for data, and how to make visualizations on R for secondary data analysis. So in this session, we will only do how to retract data from GBD. Now I will do it practically, so everyone should know how to retract data from IHME. So this is the website of IHME or GBD data. First of all, we have to be clear on which topic we are doing the data analysis. So first is the topic selection. Then in this website, we will open the data tool and practices, then go to data sources catalogs. Here we will visit our data catalog. And in here, we can retract data using GBD results tools. Here in GBD results tool, there are many datas. You have to create your account to download the data here. Okay, this is the GBD estimate. Which estimate do you want to download? Like cause of injury and death, probability, risk factor, and all of these, all cause mortality. We will only be doing it for cause of death or injury and risk factors. For this, we will select which measures we want to download. I will select only two measures, prevalence and incidence. Here you can select the number, percent and rate. Here you can select which disease you want to download. Like I am working on ischemic heart disease. So we will be retracting data for ischemic heart disease. Here in the location, you will download many datas in different files because in R we are using different analysis for different datas, and in the R we can merge the data easily, but the data, if we take the data as a whole, then the separation is a little bit difficult. So here we can take this data like for SDIs, and here you can add all ages or age groups which are given here. Here you can select which sex type do you want, and here the data from 1990 to 2021. So once I download this data, if we check it here, let me first sign into it. Okay, so here you will see the download option. You can download it from here directly. You click the download button, submit it, and you will see your data download here. Your data will be downloaded. Now it's processing, and when the processing is done, you can download your data. Actually, in this page here, the download button comes. You can click the download and the data will be downloaded. But as I said that for cause of injury, whichever measure, estimate and cause you select, you will have to download the data separately for many types of region. Like I have downloaded only for SDI, then I will download it for main regions. Like this is the main region, Central Asia, then Central Europe, then Eastern Europe, and so on, Australia, high income Asia Pacific. And in this line, you will select all the main regions, and then you will come here to download. After this, you will select all the countries. Like I'm not selecting the SDI in the third data and not the main region. I am only selecting the countries. We will discuss why we download the data separately. Okay, these are all the countries. Once you click all the countries, these are countries selected, and then you will download. Okay, here there are many regions, like custom regions are these. Do not select this in the countries data. Okay, then you will download this data, and the data will be downloaded as countries SDI. The first one is SDI, the second one is countries, and the third one is main regions. Then you can download the data for WHO regions, whichever you want in your analysis. Okay, this we have done for cause of death and injury. Then we can come here for risk factors. In risk factors, there are four measures: death, daily, whichever you want to download, just click it and then come to the risk factor. Which risk factor do you want to download? Like if you want sub factors like these: unsafe water sources, unsafe sanitation, and so on. So select each one which you want to do analysis. Like I'm selecting the main risk factors in environmental and risk factor, occupational risk factor. These are the main risk factors. So in the behavior, you can also select the factors according to your data. Which data, like I am working on ischemic heart disease, so I will not select the child and maternal malnutrition, but I will select the tobacco, dietary risk factors. And here you can also select the metabolic risk factor, but always remember, you will select this once these you download this data. Always download the data separately for each category. Then you can use the location as told previously, like for SDIs separately, then main region separately. And if you want to do a country level analysis, then you can download the country level separately and just download the data. This is all about the GBD results tool. Like we have downloaded the data for all cause of death and or injury and risk factors. Then we use the measures, metric and risk factors which we have selected separately for each data, like environmental and occupational risk factor separately, and then metabolic risk factor separately. Here you can enter your cause on which disease you want to do analysis, then the location. So in the location you can select the SDI regions separately, then main region separately, and in the third data you can select the country level separately. Here you can select the year, on which year do you want the analysis. If you want analysis only in 1990 and 2021, then deselect all the others and you will only be selecting 1990 and 2021. So this is all about GBD results. Now we will go to our GBD Compare. This is the GBD Compare. If you look here, click the data source catalog, visit our data catalog, and from here we only download the SDI values. Like if you are doing the data analysis on country level or main regions level and you want the SDI for those regions or country, you will just enter here in the search that SDI 2021, which is the latest SDI values. You can click here, it will load, and here the 2021 data will appear. So this is the Global Burden of Disease Study 2021 GBD Data 2021, and this is the data which we want for the analysis of SDI on country level or regional level, like socio-demographic index. When we click here, this page will come, and here we will select the files. Here you can select the data in XLS, Excel file or CSV file for 2021. If I select this file, you will, okay, I'm not signed in. Let me sign in first. Okay, now I'm signed in. So if you select this file will be downloaded separately from the other data which you have downloaded for your analysis. And in this data, you can see all the SDI values from 1990 to 2021 for every country and every region. Like the region is Central Europe, Central Asia, then these are the countries you can see here, and you will take these data whichever you need for your analysis. If you are doing country level analysis, then you will take the country level SDI. If you are doing main regions level analysis, you will take the main regions level SDI. And if you are doing, okay, that's all, main regions and countries. So in this session, we have discussed how to download data from GBD and which data to download. Like if you are doing an analysis on ischemic heart disease, first you will check in the PubMed or Google Scholar so that we know which analysis is not done in the research. Then you will select that area for which the research is not being done, and you will take those data on country level, main region level, SDI level separately. Once you do that, when you take the data separately, we can combine that in R easily. But if we take all the data as a compiled, then the problem is that we will making the R codes for that. So it is easy to take the data separately and then combine it in R. Thank you a lot. And in the next session, we will be doing our data analysis on R for secondary data analysis. And thank you once again.